Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Self-improvement has become a common goal for many individuals seeking to enhance their lives. One crucial aspect of this journey is cultivating masculine energy and endurance. These qualities play a significant role in personal growth, helping individuals navigate challenges with strength and resilience. In this video, we will delve into the importance of building masculine energy and endurance, explore the benefits of enhancing these qualities in daily life, and inspire you to embark on your transformative self-improvement journey. It is essential to clearly define the importance of cultivating masculine energy and endurance in personal growth. Masculine energy represents qualities such as assertiveness, courage, and determination, which are crucial for overcoming obstacles and achieving goals. Conversely, endurance embodies resilience, perseverance, and mental toughness, enabling individuals to withstand challenges and emerge stronger. By developing these traits, individuals can navigate life's ups and downs with confidence and grace, ultimately leading to personal growth and fulfillment. Highlighting the benefits of enhancing masculine energy and endurance daily is crucial in motivating viewers to embrace these qualities. We aim to inspire and empower individuals to embark on their own transformative journey by connecting masculine energy and endurance to viewers' self-improvement goals. Whether you're looking to boost your confidence, overcome challenges, or enhance your overall well-being, developing masculine energy and endurance can be a game-changer in your quest for personal growth. Join us as we explore the power of these qualities and discover how they can help you unlock your full potential. Masculine energy is a powerful force that embodies strength, resilience, and assertiveness. It represents the qualities traditionally associated with masculinity, such as courage, determination, and leadership. Regarding personal development, cultivating masculine energy is essential for navigating life's challenges with confidence and grace. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Embracing masculine energy can lead to increased confidence and self-assurance. By tapping into this energy, individuals can assert themselves, set boundaries, and take decisive action to pursue their goals. This sense of inner strength and conviction boosts self-esteem and empowers individuals to face adversity and overcome obstacles with resilience. Harnessing and channeling masculine energy effectively in various aspects of life is critical to maximizing its benefits. In professional settings, embracing masculine energy can help individuals take on leadership roles, make bold decisions, and inspire others with their vision and determination. Personal relationships can foster a sense of security, trust, and respect, creating a solid foundation for healthy connections. Practical examples of harnessing masculine energy include setting clear goals and boundaries, speaking assertively and confidently, and taking ownership of one's actions and decisions. By embodying these qualities in daily interactions and endeavors, individuals can cultivate a sense of empowerment and purpose, ultimately leading to personal growth and fulfillment. In the next segment, we will explore practical strategies for harnessing masculine energy and how these qualities can positively impact various aspects of life. Stay tuned as we uncover the transformative power of embracing masculine energy in your personal development journey. Endurance is a vital quality crucial in building mental and physical resilience. It is the ability to persist and push through challenges, setbacks, and obstacles with unwavering determination and strength. In personal development, cultivating endurance is critical to overcoming adversity and achieving long-term success. Endurance is essential for overcoming challenges and pushing through obstacles. It enables individuals to stay focused, motivated, and resilient in adversity. Individuals can navigate difficult situations with grace and perseverance by developing mental and physical endurance, ultimately becoming more robust and resilient. Improving endurance through physical training and mental fortitude is a practical approach to enhancing this quality. Regular exercise, like cardio, strength training, or endurance activities like running or cycling, can help build physical stamina and resilience. Additionally, practicing mindfulness, meditation, and positive self-talk can strengthen mental fortitude and enhance the ability to endure challenges with a positive mindset. Inspirational stories and quotes that highlight the power of endurance in achieving goals can serve as powerful motivators. Stories of individuals who have overcome immense challenges through sheer determination and perseverance can inspire others to cultivate their endurance. Quotes such as, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that count, by Winston Churchill, remind us of the importance of resilience and persistence in the face of adversity. In the upcoming segment, we will explore practical strategies for building endurance, both mentally and physically, and share inspiring examples of individuals who have harnessed the power of endurance to achieve remarkable feats. Join us as we uncover the transformative impact of cultivating endurance in your growth journey. Finding harmony between masculine energy and endurance is essential for holistic self-improvement. Masculine energy embodies strength, assertiveness, and leadership, while endurance represents resilience, perseverance, and mental toughness. Integrating these qualities in a balanced manner can lead to a more fulfilling and purposeful life, empowering individuals to navigate challenges with grace and determination. Exploring how the integration of masculine energy and endurance can enhance various aspects of life is critical to achieving a balanced approach to personal growth. By combining masculine energy's assertiveness and determination with endurance's resilience and perseverance, individuals can tackle obstacles with confidence and grit, ultimately leading to tremendous success and fulfillment. Maintaining an equilibrium between strength and resilience in different life situations requires mindfulness and self-awareness. Tapping into masculine energy can help individuals take decisive action and assert themselves in adversity. By recognizing when to assert strength and when to practice resilience, individuals can navigate life's ups and downs with balance and poise. In the upcoming segment, we will provide practical tips on balancing masculine energy and endurance in various life situations, empowering you to embrace these qualities and enhance your overall personal growth journey. Join us as we explore the transformative impact of harmoniously integrating strength and resilience in your quest for self-improvement. To cultivate masculine energy and endurance effectively, it is essential to incorporate actionable steps and techniques into your daily routine. Engaging in specific exercises, adopting beneficial practices, and maintaining consistency can boost your masculine energy and endurance levels, leading to personal growth and resilience. Specific exercises and practices can play a significant role in enhancing masculine energy and endurance levels. Strength, martial arts, and high-intensity interval training are excellent ways to build physical strength and stamina, fostering masculine energy. Additionally, mindfulness meditation, visualization techniques, and breathing exercises can help improve mental fortitude and endurance, enhancing your ability to navigate challenges with resilience. Suggesting daily habits or routines that promote the development of these qualities over time is crucial for long-term growth. Setting aside time for physical exercise, mental wellness practices, and self-reflection can create a foundation for cultivating masculine energy and endurance. Incorporating physical and mental activities that challenge you, such as setting goals, facing fears, and embracing discomfort, can strengthen these qualities over time. Encouraging consistent practice and dedication is critical to tangible improvements in energy and endurance. By committing to a routine, staying disciplined, and pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, you can gradually build your capacity for masculine energy and endurance. Remember that growth takes time and effort, so stay dedicated to your practice and trust in personal development. In the following segment, we will delve deeper into specific exercises, daily habits, and strategies for cultivating masculine energy and endurance, empowering you to take actionable steps toward enhancing these qualities. Embarking on a transformative self-improvement journey requires enthusiasm, dedication, and a commitment to personal growth. It's time to embrace the journey of self-discovery and empowerment with unwavering dedication. Motivating viewers to commit to their growth journey is essential for fostering positive change and transformation. By embracing masculine energy and endurance, individuals can tap into their inner strength, assertiveness, and resilience, propelling them toward their aspirations and dreams. Remember that personal growth is a continuous journey that requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to push beyond comfort zones. In the upcoming segment, we will continue to inspire and empower viewers to embrace their self-improvement journey with enthusiasm, dedication, and a commitment to personal growth. Join us as we explore the transformative power of fostering masculine energy and endurance in your quest for self-discovery and empowerment. By embracing masculine energy and endurance, individuals can unlock their full potential, navigate challenges with resilience, and embark on a transformative journey of self-improvement. These qualities represent strength, assertiveness, resilience, and perseverance, essential for overcoming obstacles and achieving goals. By integrating these qualities into daily life, individuals can experience increased confidence, empowerment, and a sense of purpose in their endeavors. Improved focus, mental toughness, and emotional resilience are just a few rewards for developing these qualities. We encourage viewers to take action toward building masculine energy and endurance by subscribing, liking, sharing, and exploring further content for continued self-improvement. Join us on this journey of empowerment and transformation as we strive to become the best versions of ourselves.